BBC documentary that was released about TB Joshua, the prophet, the pastor, the senior pastor of Synagogue Church of all nations. A lot of video has been released by different people. Why some people are saying this is it, why the other are saying that is that. But the people that left TB Joshua, that used to work with TB Joshua, they are saying this, and the other people are saying that. Now, I think this kind of thing has left a lot of people confused. People don't know which step to take next, because a lot of people respected TB Joshua. Why people still respect him despite he has, passed? And his member, they are not happy with all that have been said about the prophet. I don't know. I think we need people that will share advice or knowledge about what they feel, what they think, and how they think people should reason. But for me, a lot of people, like people that have worked with TB Joshua in the past, they say a lot of things, and the other people say all they said is lies. So we don't know whether it's true, we don't know whether it's lie. Which way forward? Over to
So, actually, I've watched the BBC documentary on the TB Joshua issues, and I also watched and listened to other people's opinion on different social media platforms on the same issue. But to my own knowledge, firstly, this man is a man of God, and I cannot criticize him. I don't know what they were saying. I was not there. I've never been to the synagogue church. I've never met him in person. I don't have any business with him ever before. So I cannot just, because of what I watched or what I heard, and start criticizing somebody. Even moreover, the man is dead. So why are they bringing all this out now? Why can't they bring it out when he was alive? So for the fact that he's dead, just let the dead, let them breathe. Let them be.
Let the dead man breathe.
Let the dead man breathe. Let his soul rest in peace.
Rest in peace. That's the word for Tinubu. Tinubu will say, let the poor breathe.
let the dead, let them be.
Let him sleep.
Dead, let him sleep.
Hey, okay. So,
okay. In my own opinion, on this pastor prophet TB Joshua, my own opinion, whatever scandal going on at the synagogue, I will just quickly put mine. Number one, if anybody is fervent with his or her Bible, there is a passage, there's a verse that says, one with no sin should cast the first stone. So, okay, the man is a man of God, and nobody is without sin. Everybody would criticize this man. Fine, he's dead. Like this my co-guest has said, let the dead, let them rest. Please, let them rest. Okay, why can't they bring this out when the man was alive so he can defend himself? Now that he's gone, I beg, make everybody rest. I beg, make everybody just rest. Because in this church of nowadays, we are not going to religion, but we have a lot of fake pastors out there. We will never go there. We will never go there. Even the one that we are seeing on our BNOs like this, we won't go there. But we are not going to religion aspect. But in the case of Pastor TB Joshua, let us leave this social media of a thing. Let us, because he who follows social media will fall into ditch. The person will fall into pit, because social media is full of misleading ways. I won't lie to you. Social media is misleading. So the Bible says, how will I put it? Okay, let me say it in Yoruba. So search or research everything and make sure you hold on to the truth. So whatever BBC is bringing out, whatever the church members are saying, whatever people are saying from outside, your own opinion is your own opinion. The man, nevertheless, the man is a man of God. You cannot tell me that miracles doesn't happen in that church. You cannot tell me that people are not saved in that church. So let us just rest. Let us leave this synagogue of a thing. People still rush. That's why the scandal. Go there on Sunday. It's very close to Kotumbo. So go there on Sunday. You still see people trooping in,
millions of
coming out. So let everybody rest, I beg, for this TB Joshua of a thing. The man don't die. The man don't rest. I beg, make
Let
everybody
the
say
dead
rest.
breathe.
Thank you very much.
Abi.
Let me just add something. You know, I saw some comments. Some people they talk say those people when they talk when they deal with synagogue, why they not come out that time
That is
to talk?
it.
Now when the man know they when they left there, when the man don't die, now they call the talk. A lot of people they talk say themselves they be I don't want to talk with there be this, there be that say they should keep quiet, that God will judge them. God will judge them. He say themselves. The man said a lot, but I can't dey confused. Honestly, I dey confused. I don't know who to trust or who to believe.
You don't have to be confused. You just have to flow with your own opinion because
For the fact that the man is not alive to defend himself. Okay, I did this, I didn't do that.
why
Just let him rest.
why is even BBC? Why are they bent on bringing Africans out? And they get their own this thing inside the cupboard. They no go ever go to any popular white man to go and bring out their secrets. They have white
that
pastors
does miracles
that are into even fetish or evil things. They will never bring them out. It's only these Africans. We don't know what we have done to them. I'm not taking sides. I'm not taking sides. But why haven't they done this documentary or these investigations when this man was alive? So thank you.
So that
he can defend himself.
God bless you.
Yeah. So when he defend, nobody will defend him. So I'm not defending him either. But I
think that's a very good opinion.
Yeah, I'm not. So they should have just done this when yesterday BBC come outside. They've been there for a very long time.
All these stories they are bringing out, they are bringing stories of 10, 20 years ago. Since 20 years ago.
And you have this in your hand, and you cannot. You sure you fear this man or what? So thank you.
I'll just let it out.
That's enough for of this, but we don't even know, but we just need to make sure we follow our hearts, whatever we think is the right thing to do for us, and we should be mindful of what we believe outside. So that's the wrap up on this until we come your way again. Have a nice day, everybody.
Ciao.
Ciao.